Alright guys, welcome to another one. Today we're playing around in Blender. I'm getting tired of doing stuff in Unreal, so we're going to change it up a bit. I don't really know what I'm going to do here, to be honest with you. Let's build, something simple. Let's build a bench. Like a bench at a park. So we're going to start off by selecting a side. I want faces. We're going to E to extrude. G to grab. Nope. No, not J to grab. We're going to come up. E to extrude again. We're going to keep it like that. And then E to extrude. No, why can't? Oh, I don't remember how to do this. There we go. The movement's different between Unreal and Blender, so we're gonna. No. Uh-oh. Let's undo. There we go. There we go. G to grab. Let's move that forward a bit. Let us go here. Nope, I just want you. I just want you. We're going to E to extrude. This is going to be our main bench part. Then we're going to extrude this again, like so. We're going to bring you up about that high. We're going to grab this, and we're going to move it back a bit, and then we're going to bring it up. I don't like that. That's kind of being wonky. Alright, so shift down. Let's go one. E to extrude. Bring you down here. Oops, nope, Control Z. Shift, got this. Then we'll do one. E to extrude. R to rotate. E to extrude. R to rotate. E to extrude. G to grab. R to rotate. E to extrude. Nope. E to extrude. R to rotate. I'm going to do G to grab. I'm going to get you straightened up a bit here. Oh, no, no, no. One. One. E. Yay. Alright, we got that. Five, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1. Okay, we got that. Oh, I accidentally subdivided that. But we are going to oh man, shift subdivide. Actually, let's hit that Control A. So edit, select all, Control C, Control V. How do I paste? Not really what I wanted to do, but I'll live with it. Okay, you don't want to subdivide. Why are you fighting me? Okay, let's undo all this. Oh no. Alright, I think that's all I'm getting here. So why is it doing that? I don't get. Okay, so we're just gonna go E to extrude. E to extrude. Let's go that far. So okay, E to extrude that one again. E. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, got all that. We're going to take these off. Something's messed up. And then we're just going to add cube. No. G. Nope. There we go. We're gonna have to build this a little funky. G, Z, 1, G. Let's put you right there. So GY. And my video is done. So GY some more. One GZ to bring it up a bit. All right, we got that there. So we're gonna do this. Hit 1, then go E. Then we're gonna do G, move you back there. Then we're gonna do E. And then we're gonna go G. Oh no. Then we're gonna do G. Oh no. Why aren't you clicking there? We're gonna go E. G. E. G. R a bit. Then we go E. R. E. Oh man, this is getting difficult. G. R. Oh, that actually fits out really well. So then we're going to go E. G. R. G a hair. No, E. Oh no, that's all screwed up. R. E. G. And then put it as a center point here. And R. Then E. E. Oof. All right, so we got most of that chair. What I need to do. Oh man. So we need E. I need to select this, push 1, and then hit E. G. Oh no, I needed to do that differently. Control Z. So E. G. E. G. E. I just bring this all the way down. One E. G. Blam. Oh no, I'm not ready. I'm not done already. Got that. Got that. And then let's bring you over. There we go. Got that. Hey, you guys. Oh, 15 minutes. That's actually not bad. So, I don't think it's so much of a bench as a chair. What do you guys think? Alright, we're going to go File, Save As. Let's see what else I got. Some other stuff that's not really anything. So we're going to untitle this. So this one's going to be bench, but I've got caps on. Bench, but looks like chair. Got it. Save as Blender file. And we'll come back in next time and probably look at maybe color. No, I'm going to keep on going in Blender from now on, I think. We're going to see what we can do. Maybe tomorrow we'll dress up some of this chair a little bit. But until the next one, you guys. Sorry I didn't get the cam going today. It was being goofy. But until the next one, if you haven't hit that sub button, please do. Please also hit the like, comment, and then let me know if you think cereal is soup or not. Later.